I'm super late right now. Look at this. Okay, look at me. So there's an event today. I'm gonna put the picture here because last night I edited a video until 3 AM and I woke up at 10:30. So the event's supposed to be 10 to 12. And okay, enough talking. I have to go now. This traffic is killing me.
I knew it felt like a trap.
Man,
What's up,
what
man?
time is it? What time is it? It's 11:08. Okay, so let me you introduce yourself to all of us.
Are facing me. There's no way that what I see is real. The Amazons are coming. No, the Amazons are coming.
Again?
No,
Again?
the Amazons are coming. No, feel it in the air.
Okay, one take. Ready? Nas, I had to say this. There's 1 minute. See you later.
So this is Vincent. So
Hi.
Vincent, tell us what's the event about?
So the event actually is about gathering all the fans of Nas Daily in Kuching. Okay, they may be like watching his video or maybe inspired by him. So I was like gathering all of them here, and the response is good. It's good. It's not too many. It's enough. Okay, for the interactions to happen. So I want to know, like, because of Nas Daily, right? I know a few friends, I met new friends, and I learned stories about them. So this is actually why I made this, so I can know more about their stories, what they have been going through with their lives, and what is the professions, and where they come from, and how they overcome the challenges. So actually, it's very meaningful for me. It's the things that I really want, because I'm fascinated by people's story, and I believe that throughout this process, right, I appreciate it a lot, and I especially want to thank Nas Daily for making this awesome. Thank you.
Is it too long? Yeah, okay, cut now. So this guy, he actually has like a Facebook page, and he makes like a lot of videos similar to Nas Daily, but it's Kuching based because Nas cannot come to Kuching.
Yes, he can come to Kuching because of passport problem.
Yeah, so he can't cover like things in Kuching, so he will be the one to cover it for Nas, more or less. But his page is not called Nas lah.
Yeah. It's called Vince Tell. Vince Tell.
Hey, so what else? Okay, I'll go and like his page. I'll drop a link down below. And yeah, we're gonna have lunch now. Hey, wait, proper English here. And yeah, so we're gonna have lunch now. So no, not see you tomorrow.
See you next time. See you next time, guys.
No, I'm not gonna end it here, man. We still have like a lot to cover.
Oh, okay. There's a lot of things to cover.
So we're done with lunch. Now I'm heading over to Viltrox, and there's a story behind that actually, and now I'm driving. I'm gonna tell you guys later.
I knew it felt like a trap when I came into the room and I didn't see you. The three faces are facing me.
So the last 2 years I was sitting right here in this position being interviewed by them. Funny story actually, I didn't send them any emails, I didn't send them any resumes or like any show reel of my videos. I just barged right in the door and then just say that, hey, I'm looking for a job at Filmcore, and then they asked for my number, and then I never got any calls from from them. And then now I'm here again, 2 years later. Wow. Wow. Hmm? Bro. It's actually watching the video that I edited last night. No, it's not last night. This early morning, and it's a hit, man. I'm not gonna show you guys like all the stuff around here. I don't think it's nice to like just come here and then just shoot some b-rolls. Yeah, I think the vlog ends here. Go like his page, subscribe to my channel, like. He doesn't have a channel, YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, I've got, but not that active yet.
Maybe someday, who knows. Okay, see you guys.